Hello everyone. Today's date is 2nd February 2022 and my name is Kalpesh Badane. Today's video topic is constructor in Java. So constructor is similar to the method. Constructor is a is a block of code and Java provides the default constructor. So when we creating an object by using new keyword, then at least uh, at least once constructor is called. So why we are use constructor? First is a instantiation and second is a initialization. Instantiation means process of creating an object and second is initialization. So there are some rules for creating an constructor. First rule is constructor is it have no explicit return type. Constructor name is similar to the as it is class name. And third is a constructor it cannot be final, static and abstract. So there are two types of constructor. First is a parameterized constructor and second is a non-parameterized constructor. So now we discuss one by one. First is a parameterized constructor. The constructor, suppose we have one class, the class name is a student and we create the constructor inside the class. The parameterized constructor means class name in a parenthesis we are providing some parameter like int a and comma int b. So we can say it is a parameterized constructor. So if we are create the class object, then we need to provide the that object to we need to provide the that object some parameter values. Second is a non-parameterized constructor. Non-parameterized constructor means we doesn't provide any parameter to the constructor. Means its example is, suppose we have one class student and we create this student constructor. Student in bracket there is no parameter, bracket complete, and in bracket we can write the we can write the set of block code. Next is next concept is a constructor overloading. Constructor overloading means same constructor name but it have a different parameter. Means suppose we have one constructor that is a student and in parenthesis we provide the one parameter like int a, and second constructor is a student. In parenthesis we provide the two parameters int a and int b. So we can say it is a constructor overloading. It have same class name but it have different parameters. Next is next concept is a copy constructor. So there is no like a copy constructor concept in Java, but we copy the value from one object to another object. So there are three ways to copy the value of the object. First is by using constructor. Second is by using initializing the value from one object to another object, and third is by using clone method. Next is the difference between constructor and method. So in constructor Java provides the default constructor, and in a method the Java does not provide any method. In Java we write the method, but Java does not provide the default method. Second point is constructor it have no explicit return type, and in method we can provide the in method we can provide the return type in a method, like a int, double, float, string, etc. Third point is in constructor is a rule to creating an constructor, the constructor name as it is class name, and in method we provide the different method name. So it so in method there is no rule for creating the method name. And fourth point is in a constructor can be final, it cannot be a final, abstract and static, but in a method but in a method we can provide the method as a static, abstract and final method. So that's all about today's video topic. Thank you.